My name is Janet Lee Sheriff. I am the CEO of Verdera Energy, now listed on the TSXV under the symbol V. Verdera is dedicated to advancing ISR projects in New Mexico and hosts 400 square miles of patented private mineral rights and about 88 million pounds of known and historic resources.
John, I could see the newest company on the exchange with quite a cool symbol. A sign of things to come, I hope. Look, John, we caught up towards the end of January, and this is kind of pre go public. You had a couple of things to do. You had to do the go public, raise the money. How was that?
We raised $20 million. It was $1 per subscription receipt, and very happy that we were successful.
So 20 million bucks, and I guess the question is, now what are you going to go and do with that? Because if I remember correctly, last time we spoke, we talked about advancing Crownpoint and the Hosta Butte as a kind of base case, and then obviously West Largo modernization and a kind of dual track type effort at Ambrosia. It seems like a lot, but with 20 million bucks, maybe you can do it.
Yeah, we have enough funds in the banks. We had some money additionally from some private raise. And so we've got a couple of years of runway here. Our first step will be launching into phase one at Crownpoint and Hosta Butte. That was our listed project, and our 43101 technical report is out and approved. We also will be looking at applying for a drill permit for the West Largo project and doing a modernized technical report. There's about 16 million pounds of historic and attributable resources there. And then Ambrosia Lake, we'll start some baseline water sampling and look to do a modernized technical report there as well. So that'll get us started. We also have a significant amount of data that's all proprietary and private, and we have started the process of gathering that and working our way through it. It's all paper. It's for projects all across New Mexico, including our own, combined the Kerr-McGee and the URA database.
Well, look, let's dig into that, because I think that's you're sitting there, already got plans on the ground, and you got a portfolio of projects to which to get after, but it's the data that you picked up along with all of this, which is the interesting bit for me. Can you talk about where it came from, and a bit more about what exactly you've got, how that informs your, I guess, guidance when you deliver that? So
Bill Sheriff, my spouse, is known for having compiled the largest privately held database for U.S. mineral data. He separate to Verdera, has Union Carbide, U.S. Steel, Ranchers, some precious metals. Getty was the last one we bought. But Verdera has the Kerr-McGee and the URI. So the URI database came from the acquisition of the assets from Encore. So that came with that, and that's huge in itself. They were a significant company that did a great amount of work in New Mexico. Kerr-McGee we acquired a few weeks ago, and that was a company that operated many producing operations in New Mexico, and as an oil and gas company, did a lot of drilling, and much of their drilling was 3,000 feet. So with that one alone, we have 120,000 drill hole logs.
Right, but how do you take that data, either reinterpret it and come up with a plan, or how do you build on that data and then come up with a plan? What are we doing with this? Again, coming back to this 20 million, it gives you lots of optionality, I'm sure, but that's got to be the first move. So what's the plan?
Yeah, that's a really good question. The first goal that we had was to get all of our data, which between the two sources we have. But we now have data on projects all across New Mexico. So this provides a great opportunity for us as people look into New Mexico. It's previously 7th largest producing district in the world. It's essential to U.S. energy independence for nuclear because of its vast resources. So we really see an opportunity as people are looking into New Mexico. They're going to need the data, and we have it. And so I think there's great opportunities for the company to look at how we add value to our shareholders from this data, and what type of projects that we can present out there. We have enough projects between West Largo, the highest grade ISR project out there, Ambrosia Lake, Nose Rock, Crownpoint. We have a lot on our plate, but we have the information on others. As we advance those, we hope to bring in somebody that's like an encore that can help us get them towards production. And then there's other projects that we can be scoping out.
Do you think that's the thing that people need to understand about your company? Because I always like to say, well, what am I buying into here? Is this we've got the data, it's ISR, therefore we can kind of get going quickly. We can get the drills going quickly. We can get some kind of program going to kind of build up the pounds and then make some commercial decisions quickly? Or is it a build out of a portfolio approach that we're talking about? What am I buying, Janet?
You're buying our main projects. The data is a value add, but the data saves us significant amount of money as we modernize resources. So we have millions of dollars of previous work that it was done by significant companies, Conoco, Texaco, companies like Kerr-McGee. They are solid, they're conservative, and we can easily take that and start working to modernize the reports.
Okay, so that's on the report side. It's like baby steps and kind of building up. You've literally just listed. So here, what's the plan in terms of like communications into the marketplace? What I know the team got to sit together and kind of work out how you kind of get after stuff. But when do you kind of come to the market and tell us what you're going to be doing specifically on the projects, and what other kind of marketing activities are you planning?
First, I'm thinking about the U.S. hockey team and the questions they got. So the first thing we're doing is I enjoyed the moment today. That's over. We're listed now. It's time to get going. So we are at PDAC. We have a booth. We are in the one-by-one presentations that PDAC does in association with precious metals. So there's a series of meetings there. I'm doing presentations all week now, and we'll have a presentation with Power One and their group on Tuesday of PDAC, and we're closing the market with the closing bell on Tuesday during PDAC. There's a lot of outreach going on. At the same time, we'll be doing outreach into the community. We're sponsoring a conference on nuclear in New Mexico. We're organizing it, so we're reaching out to at all levels within the state. And we'll start reporting on the steps as we get through the data and start to launch into our technical reports. So I think you can see a steady news flow. We've got a great team. We've got capital market experience, local permitting, legal. So I'm excited for New Mexico, and I'm excited to be in New Mexico.
But $20 million, and I think people are going to be going, well, these guys have clearly got some big plans here. Is it a kind of capital heavy permitting sprint across multiple projects, or are we going to see some drilling this year?
We hope to see drilling. The first thing we're doing is applying for a drill permit for West Largo. We'll also start to do some baseline water sampling at Ambrosia Lake. And we'll do some scoping work on an initial central processing plant. So, that is a longer process, but it is something that we need to start right away.
Okay. Oh, interesting. But how long does a process like that take typically?
For permitting, we estimate 5 years to if you were to start now to be in production. Of course, there's variables. Different permits like drilling are not significantly shorter. But if you were looking to go towards production, I think you're looking at a 5-year process.
Okay, interesting. Okay. So a lot to do this year. You've basked in the glory of getting listed. Now you got to go and tell people about it. So I'm going to let you go and tell people about it. We'll see you at Peter wandering around, and hopefully for Monday night, Uranium night.
We are a sponsor at Uranium night as well, so
I will be there.
I'll
be taking advantage of the chicken wings for sure. Uh, John, well done on the listing. Obviously, great portfolio, great ambition, and obviously the ease of which you access the capital as well. So impressive. So see you next Monday.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your time, and we see you on at least on Monday.